Okay, hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Phillips. This is Mr. Phillips, and he's going to help us play a game today. So the game is called Fish 10, and it's a lot like Go Fish, except we're going to be looking for, instead of pairs of numbers, we're going to be looking for matches that equal 10. So what you're going to need is a deck of cards, and you're going to want to take out some of the cards. You don't want any of the cards in there that have these letters, the K, the Q, the J, or any of the joker cards at the end. If you have any of those in your deck, you're going to want to take them out. That should leave the A card and all the number cards in the deck. When you're ready to play, you'll have your deck of cards and you'll have your paper. I have it online, so you don't have to print it out if you don't want to, but I made one here for us to play. This way. There we go. You'll have your paper, and you're each going to take 4 cards. So each going to have 4. Okay. So in the sake of playing with you, we're going to show you our cards. So Mrs. Phillips has a 10, an 8, a 3, and a 4. And Mr. Phillips, see, you have a 5, a 9, an 8, and a 2. So the first thing we have to do is take a look at our own hands. Are there any 2 cards in our own card hands that equal 10? So if I look at my hand, I'm looking to see if I have any that equal 10, and I have a 10. So 10 doesn't need any more. My goodness, I'm going the wrong way. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So I'm going to take the 10 out of my hand, and I'm going to fill that in on my side of the paper. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Show you what that looks like. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So I already filled one out. Every time a card or 2 cards leave your hand, you need to pick a new one from the deck that's left. So now I have a new card. Now I have a 7 in there too. All right. And Mr. Phillips, he looked in his hand and he found that 8 and 2 equal 10. If I have 8, like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 more, that gives us 10. So he's going to take those 2 cards out of his hand because he already has a match, and he's going to fill it in on his side. I'm going to write it in red for him. Remember, the equal sign can go on either side. So if the equal sign is first, that's where your answer would go. It would have to go first. So here I wrote his in, 10 equals 8 plus 2, because he had an 8 and a 2. All right, now let's play the game. Did you pick up 2 new cards?
I did.
Excellent. I'm going to go first. I'm going to show you my cards. And I'm going to pick one of my cards that I want to match for. Let's look for the match for number 4. So 4 plus what equals 10? If I'm not sure, I need to use something like my hands, or I can get cubes or blocks or whatever you have at home. And I'm going to count. If I have 4 of them, I need to fill in the rest. How many more do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to ask my game partner, Mr. Phillips here, do you have a 6?
I do.
Okay, Mr. Phillips has a 6, so he's going to hand over his 6 because 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I'm going to fill that in on my side again. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And Mr. Phillips was able to grab another card, and now it's his turn to ask for a card that would make 10. So which card are you going to be looking for?
Got any 5s?
So he is a 5, and he asked me for a 5 because 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more gives us 10. So he's looking for a 5, and I'm going to check my hand. I do not have a 5, so I would say go fish. He grabbed a card from the deck. Was it a 5? No, so he just keeps his card. All right, now it's Mrs. Phillips' turn. I'm going to try and find a match for my number 3. Let's see. 3. How many more do I need to get to 10? I can count the rest of my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need to ask for a 7. Do you have a 7?
Go fish.
Okay, so I'm going to go in the pile of cards and I'm going to pull it out. I got a 9. It's not a 7, so I hold on to it and we keep playing this game. You can play this game until your card is full or until there are no more matches. It's up to you. But remember, you're not fishing for matches. You're fishing for numbers that equal 10. I hope you have